Unveiling the world of civil engineering. Civil engineering, a discipline that shapes our world. We design, construct, and maintain the structures defining our environment. Imagine a city without bridges, roads, or buildings. Impossible, right? That's the influence of civil engineering, the backbone of infrastructure. From the awe-inspiring skyscrapers touching the sky to intricate tunnel systems below the ground, civil engineers make dreams concrete. Designing is just part of the story. We also ensure durability. Civil engineers fight against environmental factors to ensure safety and longevity. We aren't just builders, but innovators too. Incorporating sustainable practices, we continuously seek to lessen construction's impact on our fragile environment. Join us as we dive into this fascinating world of civil engineering, making the complex simple and the impossible possible.